Okay, this is the Overland Chef 6. And it's called the Overland Chef 6 because the blade, and I just kind of drop of water on it, it's kind of the rain a little bit here. The blade is 6 inches approximately. It is handmade, so they can vary slightly, but basically it's 6 inches of edge approximately. And so the 6 stands for the blade length, and it's called the Overland Chef 6. Let me switch hands here. It's called the Overland Chef 6 because this knife is designed to be a chef knife that you take with you overlanding. And as far as overlanding goes, you can tell that I enjoy overlanding. This is my built Toyota 4Runner with Icon 7 suspension, all the extras on that. You know, I have the rooftop tent. This is my Global Expedition overland vehicle there. And if you look around just on my property, it's pretty easy to see. There's one of my overland trailers with a rooftop tent on it. And there's my X-Venture overland trailer and a Camp X camper that I've put on the Ram 2500. So before that I did camping in the Airstream thing there, but I am definitely into overlanding and getting out in the outdoors, and this knife was designed specifically around that purpose. Got a very razor sharp blade, AEBL steel. This knife is serial numbered, and if I can get that to show up on the video, there it is. It is serial number 79. This is a limited edition Bull Elk logo. In other words, it's only going on 25 knives total, and this is the 16th of those 25, so there's only a few of those logos left, and then you won't be able to get the Bull Elk logo on the knife. But the feel of it is really super nice. It's 1/8 inch thick starting stock, so it's a little thicker than your normal chef knife, but it's still it's full flat ground by hand, down to a very thin edge. The handle is fully contoured, all by hand. There's no sharp corners on it anywhere. It won't come standard with a red liner, but the customer on this one wanted a red liner. And he is very big into overlanding, but he actually bought this one for use in his wife's kitchen, and she has red's her theme, and so he did red liners. But he also has he has the Overland 4, which is the 4-inch version, and then he also has on order a knife I haven't made yet, which is basically a Serbian cleaver, and he's going to have it matching, and it's going to be part of the Overland Chef series as well. So anyway, I hope you like it. Love to hear your comment on it. And this video is just shot with a the newest iPhone, and probably future videos of knives will just be shot on the iPhone. But I did just upgrade on a semi-professional camcorder and from Canon, and I will be bringing it with me on some of my adventures. So some of my adventure videos, the camcorder footage should be a lot better, and those will be videos of basically of different adventures that I go on, probably mostly with the side-by-side or the Global Expedition vehicle up there, which is an awesome rig. But you know, I might get out and do some videos, do some camping this summer, and one of my overland rigs too. I do love my Toyota still, and I also have a built Jeep that's been on the cover of a couple of magazines I love getting out in as well. So just stay tuned. There's no telling what the content will be. Love to hear your comments. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Likes help as well. Talk to y'all later. Bye.